The histogram in Lightroom is a graph that displays the intensity of each tone in an image, similar to that in a modern camera. The horizontal axis moves from pure black on the left, through shadows, midtones, and highlights to the brightest white on the right. The vertical axis represents the amount of each tone. Peaks cutting off on the left side means your image may be underexposed, and not all of the shadow detail is being picked up. Click on the left triangle to show loss of shadow detail in blue. You might need to increase the brightness of your exposure by slowing the shutter speed, widening the aperture, or raising the ISO of your camera. Peaks cutting off on the right side means your image may be overexposed, and highlight detail is being lost. Click on the right triangle to see the lost highlight detail in red. You might need to take a shorter exposure, narrow your aperture, or lower the ISO to reduce the light your camera is capturing. You can adjust the tones directly on the histogram by clicking and dragging left or right. The corresponding sliders in the basic panel will alter accordingly. The histogram will also change as you move the sliders. I hope this helped you. Thank you for watching.